On Thursday, we only topped out at 15 degrees, so 7 degrees below the average. Our morning low was only 2 degrees, so 4 degrees below the norm, but nowhere near the record of 44 or negative 19. And as you can see, we're only 3 minutes away from getting to 9 hours of daylight. But looking at today's highs, about the same. We kind of broke even as high pressure is currently sitting on top of us. 16 in Munising, 13 in Escanaba, 9 in Marquette, 11 in Houghton. The good news is by tomorrow we'll actually start doubling those temperatures that we saw today and on Thursday. Looking at those winds, mostly relatively relaxed, mostly around calm, especially from Marquette to Iron Mountain. 3 from Munising to Escanaba, a little bit stronger towards the west though. 5 in Ironwood out of the south and 10 in Houghton out of the west. But looking at some of those headlines as we go towards the second weekend of 2017, as that high pressure pushes towards the east, we're going to start seeing those winds shifting more out of the south. That's going to allow us to go into a warming trend as we go into your Saturday and Sunday and even going into your Monday. The problem is that by the time we go into your Monday, as those temperatures continue to now get towards the freezing mark, we're going to introduce a new system coming in from the south. This is the same system that's actually bringing ice right now through states of Oklahoma all the way now into the mid-Atlantic. And this wintry mix will be in for us, though, Monday night into Tuesday. So we could be dealing with some freezing rain, sleet, snow, and rain all. Timing of it really will determine what exactly you'll be seeing when it comes to those temperatures as well. So too many factors involved, and we really won't know that until it gets to that day of. But do keep in mind that it will be very slippery and very hazardous on those roads on those particular days. But even after that system passes, those temperatures are not going to drop down. They're actually going to continue to soar even a little bit more as we trying to get close to that 40-degree mark. So we're going to continue to see some thawing of that snow and ice we've been seeing the last couple of weeks with these recent snowstorms. But looking at the setup for your Saturday, high pressure will eventually push its way to parts of the Northeast. The Northeast, especially New England, will still continue to see some of that northerly air, so ushering more of that polar air mass into them. But for us, we'll already start seeing more of that southerly flow, bringing a little more of that warmer and tropical juice towards us. As you can see, though, that ice mess continues all the way from Kansas all the way to parts of Washington, D.C. So it's really going to be a hazardous drive if you're driving towards cities like Washington, D.C., St. Louis, even Cincinnati is just right on that borderline. Columbus, Ohio, just to mention a few areas that are under that gun with that ice. So the further south you go, the more trouble you will be seeing. But looking at that FUTURECAST for us, just a mixture of sun and clouds the next couple of days. More sun than clouds. We really don't begin to increase those clouds until late Sunday night into your Monday as the approachment of the system arrives. By Monday, the system will be just to the south of us in parts of Wisconsin, Minnesota, into parts of lower Michigan. We really don't get into the action Monday night. So really do keep an eye that if you are going to take care of activities on your Monday, do take care of them in the daytime before conditions go downhill at night and going into your Tuesday. For tonight, though, 15 degrees, mostly clear and cold overall. Those wind chills are going to be hovering between -5 to -15. Those winds are eventually going to start shifting out of the southwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour. We will have that westerly, southwesterly flow tomorrow. Temperatures are going to double up into those 20s, 20 in Ontonagon, 21 in Houghton, 23 in Crystal Falls and Florence. But overall, it's just going to be spectacular and gorgeous with that amount of sunshine. And those good times are still going to continue even going into your Sunday. Here's a closer look of your Saturday when it comes to your day planner. Sunrise occurring at 8:30 a.m. Clear skies all day. Even temperatures tomorrow night are going to be just about similar to slightly warmer than what it will be tonight. Still in those single digits, but we finally break away from those single digit lows going into your Sunday night, going into your Monday morning. By Monday, though, we increase those clouds with the approachment of that icy system from the south. Tuesday, right now, freezing rain is more than likely what will probably happen, but we could still have sleet, freezing rain, snow, and rain, depending where you are. Going into your Wednesday, we'll stop some of those lingering clouds from that disturbance still, but by then conditions are already on the improvement. And going late in the week, we'll continue to increase that sunshine as those temperatures continue to be well above average into those mid to upper 30s.